In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create and save video captions in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I have a video loaded here, and I need to transcribe this video first before I can create the captions. So navigate to the Transcript tab. You can also go up to Window, Text to find the transcript. Click the button to transcribe. Okay, so I now have my transcript. You can edit the transcript here as well. But now we're going to go to Captions. So click the Captions tab under Text and say Create Captions from Transcript. So there's some options here. I like to have single lines for my captions, not double. You can adjust the character length here as well. Click Create Captions. And you can see it's made a captions area on my timeline. And you can see them here as well. They can be edited from this captions area. So next I'm going to select the captions. I'm going to select all of them at once. And on the properties panel, you should see some editing options for these captions. So you can see they're really small right now, and they've defaulted to a white text with a drop shadow. I don't love the placement or the look of this, so I'm going to add my own look and my own branding to this, and then we'll save the caption style. So go up to text. I use Helvetica for all my captions, Helvetica Bold. And font size is just a little bit small, so there's a font size slider here. I'm just gonna go up a little bit to 56. The alignment, I think this is really low. Sometimes on YouTube or TikTok, there is text here. So I like to push this up a little bit. So you have some different zones here. If you push these zones, it'll move it around in your file, or you can do exact placement. So I've figured out that I like to use this vertical placement, and I put in -160, and it just pops it up to the place where I like it. Now, if I scroll down to appearance, I actually want to fill this. I want it to be black text, so I'm going to change the text color to black. You can also put in a hex code right here. Background, I like to use a yellow background. So I'm just gonna use my slider and quickly select a yellow. You'll notice there's still that drop shadow. So let's go down to shadow, and you can just remove it, uncheck it. And under the background, I want to give it a little padding. So there's a slider for that. And I also like rounded corners, and it's got a little bit of opacity, and I don't want opacity. So there we go. This is a style that I really like. And now I want to go through my video and just make sure that everything looks good. Okay, I like this caption style a lot. So now what we're going to do is we're going to save the caption style. So go up to in the properties panel above your text editing options, go to track style and click the plus button and say create style. I'm going to call this Cry Studio Caption Style Shorts and click OK. And if we go down here to our project files, that's actually saved this caption style right here in my project files. So what I need to do now is I need to right click it. I can say export text styles, and I can save this file somewhere on my computer. So I'll just save it here. So now I've opened another file and I have captions added to this file. If I select the captions and go up to the properties at the plus sign, I can say import style. Now I'm going to navigate to that caption style file that we created earlier and click open. I'm going to click save to project and save to local files, click OK. And now if I go up to track styles, here is my caption style that I created, and it's working great. So that's how you style and save caption styles in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you like this tutorial, hit the thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe to Cry Studio for more graphic design and Adobe tutorials. Thanks so much.